Planting by the moon signs. Let's look into it closer, why people do it, and why maybe you might want to consider doing it. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways we so need right now. Canning. Homesteading skills. Foraging videos. And this year, even more interesting gardening videos. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. Today we're going to do a little gardening video. I'm a little curious and I want to do some research into why people use the moon signs to plant by. I love the Farmer's Almanac. I usually try to kind of go by that for my planting. And again, since way back Ben Franklin, people have been using the moon signs to plant by. So let's look into some of the science behind that. And leave me a comment below. Watch the video all the way to the end, especially if you're in the Global Gardening Challenge. There's a cute little cartoon for all of us members. But stay to the end. But leave me a comment below and tell me what you think about planting by the signs. Thank you, Rebel Canners. In every old wives' tale is at least one kernel of truth. As I said before, the old Farmer's Almanac uses the moon signs to recommend planting times. The new moon is a good time to sow seeds or for transplanting leafy annuals. It is thought that the lunar gravity increases, helping with seed germination. During the waxing moon, plant annual flowers, fruits, and vegetables that bear above ground like corn, watermelon, and zucchinis. As the moonlight increases, plants are encouraged to grow leaves and stems. During the waning moon, plant bulbs, biennials, plant vegetables that bear below the ground, and perennial flowers. As the moonlight dwindles, plants are encouraged to grow roots, tubers, and bulbs. The full moon is a good time for roots, transplanting, and pruning back your plants. The rationale behind this is that the strong lunar gravity is when the moisture is pulled up to the surface by the tide. So now that you've heard the rationale behind planting with the moon signs, what do you think? Is it something that you want to try or just ignore? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious, do you plant by the moon signs or not? Give me a comment. Go Team Aquarius. Check out the Global Gardening and Homesteading Skills hashtag for more great gardening videos. It's a collaborative with several different channels. And I am rooting for, yes, Team Aquarius. So go check out those new channels and those returning channels. And yep, Team Aquarius. Go Team Aquarius. Thanks for joining me on this walk on the beach. And be careful, don't step on a jellyfish. Remember to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode. Lots more to come this summer.